I'm here to unpack for you today a wet paper tape sealing machine. A wet water trash paper tape machine is divided into inner layer and outer layer. Inside the inner layer, we also add 4 protected columns. They are located around the box. We also have pearl cotton in that box for protection. This is our product manual. This is our Velcro. There's an accessory in the machine. And move the tape. This is one of our videos of wireframe for a paper tape machine. We open the lid. We shut the power cord inside the cover. A bathroom desiccant. Now let's test it with tape. Quick on, Sphinx. The power supply is on the left rear of our machine. Turn on the power. You can freely set the length according to your needs.
记得点赞关注哦。